Now we need to add some code so that we can change the value of this field. If we go to edit, if we click here, we can see what the edit screen for an animal looks like. Here's the name, here's the type of animal, and then here's some other fields we're not really using right now. And then we can list how many hours left before the animal is destroyed. And we can upload a photo of the animal. All of these fields are how we can edit the animal's information. But there's nothing here for rescued, right? So that's what we need to add. So let's go back to our file, and now let's look for the section not that shows us what the index is doing, but shows us what the edit form is doing. So let's go up to the top and let's scrub through here until we see something about editing forms. Oh, here we are, form. So this starts on line 51 and it goes to line 65. So it's only about a little more than a dozen lines, and we can see how it's listing the inputs, name, type, hero pick, hero vid. Do you see that's the same order here? Name, type, hero pick, hero vid. So we want to add a rescued option to this form. Well, it turns out that's not very tough. So maybe where do we want it to go? Maybe we want it to go after shelter identifier and before hours left. Let's try that. So let's find shelter identifier. There it is. And hours left is on this line. So I think what I'll do is I'm going to add an empty line here, and I'm just going to copy the style of what's there already, f.input. And I'm not going to say inputs because I only have one thing I'm adding. And I'm going to say rescued. And I'm going to save that so that it gets, it'll be there when we reload. And now we're going to do a reload. Look at that. See that? Now we actually have this box here on the screen that we can turn on and off. So let's say that Siesta got rescued, and now we want to update the system so that everyone knows that. So I would check this box, rescued, and then I would scroll down here and I would say update animal. And then we would get a little flash notice here, animal was successfully updated. But how are we going to see that unless we look at the index? So let's go back to the animal's index where every animal is listed. And look at that. Now it says Siesta. Rescued, yes. So this feature is basically done. If you have questions, just send me a message. Okay, honey, I love you.